Okay, I hope that I'm audible. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, yesterday I was solving this question, but then I went to sleep and the stream kept on running. Yeah, I took a break of 5 to 10 minutes, but yeah, I slept in that. Anyways, so yeah, I tried to solve this question today as well. I was following the same approach that I discussed yesterday. Basically adding the like sum in a classical sense, like if it's a 1 1 added to 1, then 1 1 becomes 0, then uh like 1 got carry over, then 1 1 becomes 1 0 0, right? So like classical addition, so I was not able to solve it. I know that this could be solved like this, but I was not able to implement it. So I took a look at the solution which was given. Okay, still loading. Yeah, so I took a look at the solution. So I understood the solution, like how it's doing it, keeping the carry, and then they have basically taken I and J is kept separate. Uh, like this is a decent enough solution, but I felt that a better solution could be there. For example, what I did was basically I took I and J separately, and I used a while loop, right? So uh, I took a carry as zero, which I think they have taken. So what basically they did was basically taking I and J. They also took two pointers, but like I didn't like this very much because it's not very intuitive. What I did was a little different. I basically took a while loop and I'm running it till I basically is length of a like total traversals I want to do. Like for example, here the length is 2, so I would be 1 because 0 and 1 I need two traversals, right? And like if while I is greater than equal to 0 and j is greater than equal to 0, then I'm pretty sure that both of these variables, one of them at least does not have ended. Like for example, here this would have ended before that this one, right? So I just added a check for this. Then like I my sum I must have, yeah, I took a sum which I initialized with carry, right? Because carry can be 0 1 and that needs to be added to the sum. Now if I is greater than equal to 0, what I did was basically I took the character at I, the pointer I, and since I'm taking it at the end, so decremented it. So I took at the end like a dot caret I took 1, right? And minus 0, this I did to convert this into a number. So like if I just show you the ASCII table, yeah, 1 minute, someone is at the door. Yeah, apologies for the delay. So yeah, so I was showing the ASCII table. So if we look at it, then we have character 0, then post that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. So if I subtract the string, like if I take the string 1, character 1, and subtract it from 0, so character 1 must have an ASCII of 48. So let me just check. Yeah, so yeah, so ASCII character set, this I took a reference of. Hmm. The code value of 0 is 48 and that 1 is 49 and 2 is 50 and so forth. So if I take this and minus 48, like that will become 0. So this will get changed into a number and this also will get changed into a number. And I add this simply to 1. So if the carry is 1, then what I do is I add this to sum. In this case, this would be like 1. So 1, 1, that would be 2. And this would again be 1, that would be 3, right? And then I do, like, I append the result. So to convert it into a binary, I do a modulo 2. 3 modulo 2 gives me 1, right? Sorry, 3 modulo 2, 3 modulo 2. Yeah, 3 modulo 2 would give me 1, right? So yeah, I forgot to tell, I'm doing a reversal here. So this would be this number 1. Then the carry would be sum by 2, right? Because like again, I took the sum and like it could either be 1 or could be 0. So in this our case it would be 1.5. So carry becomes 1. So carry is basically 1. Now this sequence will continue and we will get our result. Yeah, so I was not able to solve it directly, but yes, let's, I will revise it again. But I feel that this solution is much better than what is given in the official solutions because it is much more intuitive. Let's move on to the next question.